Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Java project which is entitled as Identity Based Privacy Preserving Remote Data Integrity Checking with Designated Verifier. So let's see what are the things that has been given in the form of disadvantages as well as the advantages. So as a disadvantage that the verifier cannot gain a knowledge on about the data as of the privacy protection has been done, so that some of the things which cannot be achieved is the privacy protection issue as well as safety of schemes which has been proposed in this process, so that we can make into advantage as of we are going to given protection for that in the form of unique verifier with the owner requirement, as well as the data position will be checked through that verifier process, and also the information will be stored in the cloud so the user can access through it. So let us see the architecture of this process. So in this architecture you can see that there will be four modules which are data owner, KGC which is a key generation center, and designated verifier CSP. So through this we can see through that what are the identity, private key, as well as the auditing request result, as well as the protection with the challenge proof of data flow.